Right, so in this question, we are not requested to solve, however, just to figure out what is a restriction on the x once we solve it. So this is pretty easy question. So what you have here, you have equation having denominators, right? And what we all know about denominators, that they cannot be equals to 0. So this is the first denominator, this is the second denominator, and this is the third one, right? So obviously the 5 is not equals to 0, so we can ignore it. However, if I have x plus 1 on the denominator, I cannot have x plus 1 equals to 0. So if I solve for the x right now, that's the x cannot be equals to 1. So minus 1 here. So what we do here, we don't put equal sign, but we put a different, because it cannot be equal 0 and it cannot be equals to minus 1. So this is the first restriction, right? Now we can do the same thing with the x plus 6. We can set x plus 6 equals 0 first, solve it. You're going to give me x, you're going to be minus 6. Now we know the denominator shouldn't be 0, so we can make a different here and different here, and this is going to be the second restriction. So there are two restrictions, all right, on x. The x can't be, x must be different than minus 6, and x must be different than minus 1. And this is going to be your final answer.